Failure leads to success. At first glance, would you be able to tell the real gold from a fake one? Just like majority of people, you probably won't be able to tell since both have the same look, unless you have prior knowledge that one is real. The same thing can be said of failure. In one glance, all failures might look the same because these lead to negative consequences and emotions. It is possible that hidden among these failures is one disguised as a nugget of success. You have read in many e-zines, articles, and books that failure is a part of success. Failure is often camouflaged as success and acts as a guide towards success. This article emphasizes that failure is inevitable in your trek to accomplishment. In fact, it is the critical ingredient to success. How do you deal with this critical ingredient? Actually, all failures have the potential to become success stories. It is just a matter of using failure to your advantage. In this case, practice makes perfect. As you encounter more failures, you will learn what works and what does not. For each failure, you are one step closer to success. This is the reason why you must not give up easily should failure occur. Intense belief in your capabilities motivates you to continue in pursuing what you are after. You must not be afraid of failure. Think of failure as a tool for success. Use failure as a tool in digging your mine of success. So what if I fail? I may have failed now, but that doesn't mean I am completely abandoning my success goal. More failures? Bring them on. More failures mean more lessons that can be learned. This is the attitude you must keep in your mind and heart to keep you going for the goal. What if your resources are all used up? What if you are going bankrupt and accumulating debts? What if your assets are turning into liabilities? This is where your determination and intense belief in yourself come to the picture. If you sincerely believe you are going to make it to the top even if you have to pass through scourges of failure, go for it. Make the most out of failures and learn from them. Try to keep track of your failures by listing them on a piece of paper. Use this list to find out the different causes of failures, and solutions you have used to overcome them. Ask yourself, what did I do wrong? How can I do better? Asking difficult questions forces you to maximize the golden learning opportunity present in every failure. Imagine yourself caught in the middle of a storm. What do you usually do? When you are in the middle of a storm, you stop whatever you are doing and try to protect what you still have. You wait out the storm in a safe place and wait for the sun to shine. Amidst any turbulence, you must have the confidence that you will survive. Failure is like a storm. It passes swiftly. It provides the opportunity for you to stop to think why, how, and where you went wrong. The solution you are looking for is the sunshine after the storm. You consolidate your resources, backtrack a little, do some adjustments, and then continue pursuing your objective. Remember, all failures have the potential to become success stories. It is just a matter of using failure to your advantage. Failures make you wiser and may help you detect that hidden golden nugget of success. If you love this, please subscribe and share it with your family and friends.